Installing a new roof in Tucson demands more than just nailing down materials. This desert climate requires the right system, proper ventilation, and workmanship built to handle decades of heat and monsoon. A poorly installed roof fails within years here, unable to hold up under intense UV, summer monsoon loads, and temperature swings that exceed anything most of the country ever sees. DC Roofing of Arizona installs complete roofing systems in tile, shingle, metal, and flat, with proper underlayment, flashing, and ventilation from the first layer up. David Contreras has been installing roofs in Tucson since 2011 and has built a reputation on installations that hold up through every season this desert throws at them. We serve Midtown, Rita Ranch, Sam Hughes, and every neighborhood across Tucson with local crews who know this climate inside and out. 4.8 stars, 500 completed roofs, written warranty on every installation, and ROC license number 328733. Call DC Roofing of Arizona today for your free roof installation estimate in Tucson.